Hey there guys, Fabian Ratzak here. Exciting news from Rodenberg. The Killmister is back and it looks awesome. Very nice with the skull. Fantastic. So if you need a kill switch pedal, this is the one you should get. In the down mode, basically it offers you the kill switch as you might guess. So it kills the signal right away. But not only that, there are some really fantastic different sounding rhythms here inside, and I will show this in this demo video. Fantastic, really nice. You can get very creative with this, so enjoy the demo. We're gonna see you at Guitar Summit this year, and come say hi and check out the Killmister killer pedal. See you next time. Bye bye.